Specific low force technique called activator methods. I'm going to be giving this patient an activator adjustment. Put both hands behind your back. Put both hands by your side. Put your right hand above your head. Put both hands above your head. Put both hands by your side. Turn your head to the right. Lift up your right shoulder and relax. Shrug both shoulders towards your ears. Relax. Put your head back in the center. Lift your head up and put it down. Tuck your chin to your chest and relax. And press your face into the table and relax. This technique is effective enough to be used on athletes and gentle enough to be used on babies.